So, dear students, faculty members, deans, HODs, Vice Chancellor, and all the Vignan community and your family members, wish you all very happy Diwali. Diwali is the most important festival in the Indian culture. This symbolizes the victory over dharma over adharma, victory of knowledge over ignorance, victory of light over darkness. This is the symbolic aspect of the Diwali. And more than this, in the entire North India, this is celebrated as the Lakshmi festival. We are inviting the Lakshmi into every family during this festival. So, wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. In our itihasas, it has got a lot of significance. This is the day when Sri Krishna, along with Satyabhama, killed the Rakshasa Narakasura. In Treta Yuga, this is the day when Rama has returned back after 14 years of sailing and killed Ravana. And also this is the day when Vishnu killed Bali Chakravarti. So there is a lot of significance of Diwali in our itihasas also. So more than this, and most of the people in India believe this is the day when we are inviting Lakshmi into every home. As far as students are concerned, this is the festival where we celebrate victory of knowledge over the ignorance. So I wish that you will enjoy this Diwali, the festival of lights, festival of dharma, festival of knowledge in a big way and in a happy way. So once again, wish you a very, very happy Diwali to every one of you. I hope the Lakshmi will come into every house of you and Dharma will prevail, and wish you all the best. Wish you a very, very happy Diwali. Thank you.